Hey everyone, we are talking about week 5 this week and how we look at universal design for learning and special education. So, EJ, how are you doing today?
Doing good.
All right. What's our goal this week, my friend?
The goal is we will learn of how to use special education was to support for inclusion.
All right. So, we're talking all about special education and the rules of special education so that we can have inclusion happen, right?
Yeah.
And UDL is a big part of that. But there's also other parts to doing that really well. You know something about special education, right?
Yes.
What do you know about special education?
Education is if I go to schools that I will learn from the from teachers from giving me something good to do.
So you came up, teachers gave you things to do, and you experienced special education in school quite a bit.
Yes.
You had a lot of different services that you received in school. So step 1 to this, EJ, what's step 1 look like?
It always start with our goals in mind.
Always starting with goals in mind. This is great because it's the same with UDL as it is with high quality special education services, always knowing what your goal is. EJ, what was one of your goals in school? What did you want to learn?
I want to learn some like I would like get to give my my own goal to give it to the teachers.
Okay, but what did you want to learn? What was something you wanted to learn in school? What was your favorite thing to learn?
Always of how to read, draw.
How to read and draw? Okay, those are excellent goals. Let's go to our next step.
I target step 2 is target strengths.
What does that mean?
It means if someone have something have a strength in the mind, something they will teach of how to wait to lift something.
Is it just strengths in terms of like muscles, or is it also things you're good at?
Things are doing good.
What is something that you're really good at? What's one of your strengths?
I'm good at the building Legos.
Okay, what else? Building Legos.
And then draw.
Draw. Yep.
And talk more.
Yeah, you talk really well. What other strengths do you have?
I have strengths. I say I have a completely the something like I'm not sure. I don't come up with.
Okay, that's fine. Can I tell you one of the strengths that I see with you?
Yes.
You are an incredible gymnast. You can do cartwheels and flips and all that type of stuff. We got to show one of those videos.
Yeah.
So that's a strength.
Mm-hmm.
I can't do that stuff.
Yeah.
All right. So let's go to step 3. Our slides are not transitioning how I want them to. All right. Step 3 each. What's up?
Step 3 is prove everything that is data.
That's right. So keep everything data connected. Now, when I talk about data and when we talk about data, we're not just talking about quantitative data. like graphs and tables and charts. That stuff's really important, and you do need to keep track of that. But also understand that qualitative data is very important as well, and you have to know how to communicate qualitative data just as much as you need to know how to communicate quantitative data. And we'll talk more about that. Step 4.
Use IAPs to tell the students big story.
That's right. Using the IEPs, the individualized education plan, to tell the bigger story that a student wants to tell about their lives. Like, you have done some incredible things in your life.
Yeah.
What are all the countries you've been to?
7.
7 countries, performing and telling people about ability awareness. And you had some big goals that you've accomplished. The schools need to be aligned with those goals, understand what you want to do when you grow up, and then help you do those things, right?
Yes.
All right. So that's what we're going to be talking about this week, all around ways that we can use the current things within special education to really support all students, specifically students with disabilities.
Yes.
Anything else to add?
No.
It's going to be a great week, right?
Yeah.
Boom.